To another video. Today we're going to be playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator, which, since the last time I filmed, there was not gear tilt. But if you do play this game, there's gear tilt now. So, we're going to be messing around with that. So, there's almost every plane in the world that actually has gear tilt, because every plane in real life that has gear tilt will have gear tilt in this game. Also, there's 3D cockpits, and I think all of the planes with the liveries have them now. It used to not have them, but I think it has them now. So, yep. I'm just gonna grab so in the comments below, please comment saying this is the plan this is what I think you should do, and this is the plan I think you should fly. Right now, I'm gonna fly with maybe how about this? So let's test out the tilted gear with this amazing help. So this livery is the American ones. This one used to have American, it would say American because of copyright, it said it doesn't say. And you can see there's the tilted, not the tilted gear, but that is the thing that I'll be showing you. Because if you see here, you see there's two gears, but yeah. So I'm going to show you the 3D cockpit is right here. Let's just taxi on the lines because people who taxi off the lines, it tends to get on the grass and stuff. So I would recommend using this one. You just have to see the runway is there. But about the 3D cockpit. There are the 3D cockpits right there. You can, if you right click it, you can move. But the throttle is not with the cockpit. As you see, that's So I'm basically just gonna go over with you guys a couple new update. We might do a full flight right now, but yeah. Basically the 787, the 777 is my favorite because I think it can make very butter landings. But also, if you I like watching Twister 01s and just check out this channel. It's fun. It's the best thing in the whole entire world. But yeah. So once I take off here, I'll show you the tilted gear because it is just, I'll tell you, they are just exciting. They're the best things in the world. You don't know how good they are because they're just and once we rotate, you can kind of see the tilted gear right there. But I'll show you when we land. And I think the map got an update. I don't think so, but now it will show. Not right now, but we're gonna fly towards. There's no working cockpit. You can't click these buttons. They don't really do anything because then they'll be a lot complicated. But I wish the yoke would move and these joystick things, these buttons that I'm holding around now, they wouldn't matter because they would work, but they wouldn't matter. They wouldn't do anything because it'd be a lot easier. So right, if you press R, it will do that. It's just making the plane go straight, so it's not really doing anything. But it looks like it's keeping it still. But as you see, it says speed's 468 knots. KTS 6 knots. But yeah. So I think see this plane right here is a little special because I don't know if anybody really notices this, but it's just like the best plane in the world, I think, because first of all, it has butter in this. But also, like, I just want to hit, it's not about, it's 87.8, but I just want, this is our new goal, it might not seem like a lot, but I just want 10 subscribers, 10 views, and 10 comments on this video, because, like, man, you don't know, like you don't actually know, like, how much that would mean to me. That would be like a Christmas present. We hit that goal. Might not seem a lot, and you might own a YouTube channel, and you might say like, oh, this is like, I own a YouTube channel and I have no subscribers. It's okay. I started like a year ago, and I barely have made any videos because I'm basically busy the whole day. But I'm making a video now, so just, like, we have time. So like, yeah, like, right now I might make a vlog soon, so just stay tuned for that. Remember to click the subscribe button and turn on the notifications to all, so then you will get notified whenever I make videos. Yep, but also you're probably never going to get notified because I barely make videos. So, yeah, I don't know. But that's our base Gary right there. This is Greater Rockford, which we're going to be turning on now. See the sign up there. This is like, it has dos runways, or 2 runways, because dos is 2 in Spanish. Because I don't really know why, but they just have like these things for racing. Boy, like this call sign. Check out Swiss001's Butter song. It is like the best. And Butcher. Oh, jeez. No. Jeez, what am I stalling? I think we're gonna have to, like, basically, I'm gonna try landing here. Butter, kind of butter. Yeah, because this plane is like the king of butterings. Because, like, if you see right here. Oh, jeez. Ah, jeez. Come on. And nope. These engines are like turbo engines right here. But just tell me if any of you would like, what's your favorite plane in the game, and what airport do you want me to play at next? I'm gonna go to Ajanaf. What's that called? Al-Najaf. Yep, that's it. It's like Ajaf al-Mahal. I don't know, but like, my favorite part about this place is like it's so small. If anybody doesn't know, like, Bara is one, but let's fly the Cessna Caravan, because this plane is just my favorite. The cockpit and interior, just look at that design. That looks so hot and stuff. But, like, if you want, like, an episode where we, like, play flight simulators, just put in, like, really good flight simulators that I could play, and I'll play them. Like, I will literally play them for you. You just have to. What is happening with my plan? I think I need to start this thing, but probably we could do maybe a full flight or an emergency ending crash flight, but like, not the expert here, so like, don't trust me that I'm an expert at planes right now. I mean, I am, because, I mean, I have like a ton of like model airplanes. And if you're ever on a flight and you love planes and you want to have model airplanes, I have a tip for you. They're only about, I don't know, they're like They're less than 20. They're less than like $10 a piece. And also they actually are, because like they're really good models, but also check out Gemini Jets. Gemini Jets, I'm pretty sure is like the best thing ever. Why does it still say I'm taxing? What is wrong with this right now? Sorry, but I don't think this thing is working. Oh geez. Let's see if is it working? Yeah, it's working. Actually, do you guys think I can butter this one? Because if you don't know, I'm pretty good at buttering. Pretty good. Like I'm pretty good at buttering, but I'm not. I have not just nailed it, because this video is already getting like 10 minutes long. It's probably gonna be like 15. It's just don't worry. It's Then I'll show you one of the military planes. This one doesn't have gear tilt because in real life it doesn't, but all the other planes will. Or they do. Oh jeez. Oh no. That was pretty smooth. I would consider that smooth landing because like, oh jeez. Let's get out of this plane. But like, look, this is actually life-sized because it makes sense, but like, also, actually, today, guys, I'm going to be showing you, like, if you see here, it says DD3, but that really has nothing to do with anything in this game. But, like, I like how the things have the wheels, but I wish you could actually move, like, make this go the opposite way. I know you can move them up, but, like, you can move this, because why would there be wheels if you couldn't move it? It's pretty weird, actually. So I'm gonna maybe do the F4 Phantom. Yeah, probably. Actually, no, I'm not gonna do the F4 Phantom. I have a very cool plane for you that I bet everybody would like. It's called the Hawker Harrier VTOL, which VTOL stands for Vertical Takeoff and Landing, because like, just the cockpit of this plane looks great. And if you see, it says, it's a green thing that says VTOL off, right in the top corner. Here, the control state. But when you press X, you have to turn on the engine. Press X, that will say VTOL. Then you just do. You want the red VTOL thing to pop up. See that? Yeah, you want that. And then it will like act like a helicopter. And you just want to get it on. And then you just want to click X. Great. Then what you want to do is you want to click X. It's not working. But what we can do is, I think we could land. Let's try landing an aircraft carrier. I mean, not an aircraft carrier, but like a building. Actually, do you guys think I can do it? Oh geez, we just took some. That was. Oh geez, no. Aw, come on. But like, this plane is so cool. You guys should check it out. It's called PTFS, just search for PTFS, and it's called Pilot Training for It's 89. But let's just see. Oof. But let's play. Yeah, what am I doing? So guys, bye. See you in the next video. Yeah. Like, bye. Bye. Like, literally bye. Like, leave the thing. Okay, whatever. Bye.